Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to my new episode CSBD. Today I'll showing to you how to create a professional voice recorder by Audacity. At first I'll telling you to if you are newer visitors in my channels, please subscribe. If already subscribed done, for this thanks. So let's start how to create a professional voice recorder by Audacity. At first you have to downloading by Google audacity.com. If you don't have the Audacity software, I will give you the downloading link Audacity apps. After downloading Audacity apps, and when you open Audacity's interface is showing looking like this. Now start your record. This is recording. Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to my new episode. After recording your voice, you will change to other noise, the background noise. Let's show that noise. At first we hearing this vocal. You are hearing is the more noise behind this vocal. At first you should remove all noise from vocal. Select this effect, click to effect, and click to noise reduction. As please looking this site, noise reduction dB 12, sensitivity 6 and frequency 0, and click get noise profile. After clicking get noise profile, select all the vocal and effect, repeat noise, and it's a sweet voice. After equalization, click the equalization. Equalization is the bass boost, okay, and again equalization, click treble boost, okay. Okay, now change speed. If you are recording by male voice, you have to be percentage change -5. I always record my voice with -5 because of it is very sweet for me. It is very sweet. My voice is adapt with my voice. -5. And if your voice is female, it's a +5. As my voice is male voice, I writing -5. Enter OK. Again, effects is a compressor. Compressor is a test tool, 12 dB, noise floor 40 dB, rotation 2001, attack time 0.20 second, release time 1.0 second. After then OK. And again effect is a compressor, echo, limiter. Always you are be hard limiter. Input gain 0.40, input gain dB, right channel 0.50 dB, limited to dB, -3.30. okay. After then okay. Again effect, and now the final bass boost and treble boost. Change tempo. Okay, and final, at last, normalize. Your voice will be normalized. And now hearing this voice.
Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to my office.
It is very useful apps for creating the vocal as like a professional vocal. Your voice will professional putting Audacity apps. Okay guys, if you like my episode, please like this and like, comment and share. After subscribe,